Stop struggling with complex spreadsheets and learn to plot the intersection of total costs and revenue like a pro. In this practical guide, we are building a break-even chart from scratch to pinpoint your exact profitability threshold. Master the break-even chart today to ensure every operational decision you make is grounded. I'll show you exactly how to build a break-even chart, from raw numbers to a clear decision-ready visual. Let's dive in. Fixed costs, things that don't change no matter how many units you sell. Rent, salaries, insurance. In 2026, let's say a typical small business fixed cost runs around $15,000 per month. Variable costs. These grow with every unit. Raw materials, packaging, shipping. Let's say $8 per unit. And our selling price, $20 per unit. On screen or paper, draw your x-axis. That's units sold. Y-axis is dollars. Label your grid clearly. Fixed costs are a flat horizontal line at $15,000. It never goes up or down. That's the point. You owe this money even if you sell 0 units. Total cost equals fixed cost plus variable cost times units. This line starts at $15,000 and climbs by $8 for every unit sold. At 1,000 units, the total cost is $23,000. At 2,000 units, $31,000. Revenue starts at 0, no sales, no money. It rises to $20 per unit, steeper than the cost line, which is exactly what we want. At 1,000 units, revenue is $20,000. At 2,000, $40,000. See where the green revenue line crosses the blue cost line? That's your break-even point. The formula is simple. Fixed costs divided by price minus variable cost equals $15,000 divided by $20 minus $8 equals $15,000 divided by $12 equals 1,250 units. Sell fewer than 1,250. You're in the red zone, a loss. Sell more, you're in the green zone, profit. If you're currently selling 1,800 units, your margin of safety is 550 units. That's how much sales can drop before you start losing money. The bigger this gap, the safer your business. Now here's where it gets powerful. Watch what happens when I raise the price to $25. The revenue line gets steeper, and the break-even drops to just 882 units. Or if variable costs rise to $10, break-even climbs to 1,500 units. This is why smart managers run these simulations before making decisions. And that's your complete break-even chart. Fixed costs, total costs, revenue, the intersection, and your safety margin, all in one visual. Run this before any pricing decision, product launch, or cost change. It'll tell you exactly where you stand. I have another complete video on what is break-even analysis. Check out that video next. If you find this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to Education Leaves.